CA inter students always get confused. Online classes or offline? Let me make it simple for you. Point 1. Always study from national level faculties. If they teach nationwide, there has to be a reason. Quality, clarity, and proven results. Point 2. For subjects like tax, account, and AFM, choose teachers who will also guide you in CA finals. Your base should be built by same expert. It makes your journey much easier. Point 3. Don't skip demo lectures. Watch, compare, and see whose teaching style clicks for you. Point 4. Compare their books and revision notes. Because in the last 30 days before exam, your summary notes become your best friend. Point 5. And most important, timely class completion. No matter how good the teacher is, if your batch doesn't finish on time, your attempt gets disturbed. Lastly, check the past results and the track record of the academy you are choosing. Choose wisely because CA Inter is the foundation of your entire CA journey. For more such updates, do follow us.